got goods. Import Works reached out and wanted to know if I needed some detailing stuff. Appreciate you guys. So Import Works is a detailing company, and you guys can find them on Instagram. We'll link their website and whatnot. And we got rubber, plastic, leather, quick detailer. Got wheel cleaner, because I have so many wheels I'm gonna need a couple bottles of this. And more wheel cleaner. We're gonna go ahead and give these products a try. All you guys can receive a 20% off discount with my promo code BHREN, Baron. Thank you guys.
Josh made me drive this thing for the first time by myself.
Hey, babies. You like this truck? You like it? Okay. Right there.
What's up? You ready to go to storage?
Yep.
It's perfect. 111 degrees and windy. We're gonna go rob my storage right now. See if this yacht guy has some good stuff.
Don't steal things, okay? Coco, robbing is bad. Don't follow your parents.
All those people who don't watch my previous episodes. We sell car parts. I don't know how many times I have to answer this question, but
there's nothing left.
We're pretty low on inventory right now. We have another container coming end of October. Follow Baron's Garage, that's our business. Me and my brother Gabe, we're taking pre-orders still. So if you guys need any Origin Arrow, hit up that page and we can order you guys whatever you need. I need some goodies for the red car. We'll try a couple different things.
What are you doing? Hey.
Get some of these for myself. All you JZX90 people, we have front and rear lip. Walled lip for Mark IIs. That's for sale. 500 bucks. You can take both of them. We're gonna try a couple different lips. Do either race line front lip or Fuji. Or we do the Canard route. It's gonna be nice working in cars in this heat. Perks of owning your own business. Oh, that's carbon. Dang, did I do carbon carbon sides, dude? I didn't know I had these. Look at this. Real carbon. That might be kind of cool, but these are kind of baller to just mess up. We'll do regular. Go put these parts on.
Casey Neistat, look at his title. I started a fight I'll never win, and his wife's in the back. And then this one, she's ready to leave. This is, I'm for sure gonna watch it. It's such a clickbait.
It's better than Clena's S14.
Clena's S14.
It's right in between them two.
Uh-huh.
We're up there with Casey Neistat, dude. Look, our video's right next to his.
Oh, sick, dude. Why was it so expensive? That's freaking smoke. Chick-fil-A sponsor me. Gets my food. That's not my food.
French fries? Are you excited to eat, Momo?
Yeah, I want to eat.
Momo's hungry.
We're gonna catch them and we're gonna put them on the grill. And pluck
Okay.
all their...
Eat all the duckies.
No.
I got stuff all over me. No, dude. Papa spilled.
Ready?
Oh, that comes out great.
Hey,
Can't even tell.
Papa, do you have one of these?
Yeah, hold on. We're gonna go sit down first.
Okay.
We'll have to drop the food next.
That thing rips, dude.
We'll leave it low, just in case it's your favorite.
What's up, Kota? Show everyone your freaking leg snapped in half. That sucks,
Oh, yeah.
dude.
I gotta make a sticker merch because Chris has sticker machine. Ask everyone to cover my medical bill.
Everyone.
I this full time, and I had to go get surgery and put pin.
Well, there you have it, folks. We gotta make some money for Kota. Are you gonna make stickers for real? We'll post them up, dude.
Yeah, what should I make?
Kota got no legs.
No legs.
No time, no legs.
Yeah, you should just make a cartoon of you on crutches.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it says, I need help.
I need help.
We're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Well, you can hang out with us. You can watch me put some parts on my car.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
This is not meant for... Look how stupid that looks. Okay, this is not gonna happen.
Where's your vlog at, Kota? Frick, man.
I haven't been working on it. I'm in pain.
Everyone thinks you're back, Kota, because you put a throwback video when Upside Down was here. Everyone's like, Kota the Yoda's back.
Look, my ankle up.
Snap.
It was a good day.
It was a good day. Dude, that's bad.
Bye guys.
Well, get some rest, man.
Peace. I gotta go make a vlog. Edit
Alright.
some video.
See ya, dude.
Good luck, man. We'll see you soon.
Yeah. See you soon.